Hello everyone and welcome back to day 12 of our 30 days English Fluency Challenge. Today we are going to talk about something that stops many people from speaking English, and that is fear of grammar mistakes. Many learners think my grammar is not perfect, so I can't speak English. But this thinking is wrong. If you keep waiting for perfect grammar, you may never start speaking. So today I will show you how to speak English confidently even your grammar is not perfect. Why do people fear grammar? Many students learn English for years. They study grammar rules, tense and vocabulary and models, subjective, verb agreement, whatever. But when it's time to speak, they become nervous. Why? Because they are afraid of making mistakes. They think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh at me? What if my grammar is incorrect? But remember one thing, mistakes are perfect for learning. You can't become a fluent speaker without making mistakes. Let me show you my 4 secret tips. First secret is focus on communication. The purpose of language is communication. People speak English to share ideas, not to show perfect grammars. Let me show you some examples. Instead of saying silent, say, I like this movie. I'm learning English. I want to improve my speaking. I enjoy with myself. I want to learn something new. Simple sentences are powerful. Understand these secret tricks. Secret number 2 is start small. Yes, small. Don't try to speak complicated English. Start with easy sentence. Let me show you some examples. I'm at home. I am drinking tea. I am watching this video. I want to speak English fluently. This is a papaya tree. I like red papaya. Practice this simple sentence every day. You do for 30 days. After 30 days, you see the result. My secret number 3 is most powerful, and that is my favorite secret. Speak every day. Speaking is a skill. The more you practice, the better you become. Even 10 minutes of daily speaking can improve your confidence. Talk to yourself. Talk in front of a mirror. Describe what you are doing. Let me show you some examples. I'm standing here. I'm recording video. This is a bitter gourds. This is here lots of wine. Front of me a papaya tree. I'm studying English. This simple habit can make a big difference in your life. Now I am talking about secret number 4. This is the most important. Don't miss this. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Every fluent speaker made mistakes in the beginning. Nobody starts perfectly. The people who become fluent are not the people who never make mistakes. They are the people who keep speaking despite mistakes. So don't stop yourself. Speak, learn, improve, and repeat. This is the most powerful technique. Everybody should do this. Today I am give you some challenge, and today's challenge is I want to stand in front of a mirror and speak for 1 minute. Say, my name is Nigam. I live in Bihar. I am learning English every day. I want to speak English confidently. Practice this today and comment below. I will speak English even if I make mistakes. Thank you for watching my day 12 of our 30 days English fluency challenge. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, fluency comes from speaking, not from waiting for perfection. See you in the day 13. Bye bye and keep learning English.